Hi guys, how to warp text around image in HTML and CSS is really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. As you can see, we have a single div here. This will work as our parent div. So we gave it the class name parent container. Inside we have the image and the text. As you can see in the preview window, our image taking the full width, and after the image we have our text. Now to warp the text around the image, give your image a ID equal to double quotation, suppose image 01, then go to the style section, call for the image ID, hashtag image 01, opening brace, closing brace, give it some space. Now suppose we want to put our image on the right side. For that, float clone right semicolon, save, reload. See, to put it on left, just change it to left. Also we can use multiple images. Let's copy it, give it the name image2, save, style section, image2, float right, save, reload. See, it's really that simple. Also sometimes the image can overlap the boundary of the div. If that happens, we just need to add a single line display clone flow dash root and we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.